What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. So today I'm going to show you an affiliate marketing software that I'm utilizing in my affiliate business. But first of all, let me check if I have some comments, because just let me check here. Do I think that I'm live? But I don't know. So what is happening? Okay, cool. So let me show you some of my affiliate marketing results. So I promote high ticket products. This is my affiliate dashboard. As you can see in the screen, this is for the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator. So these are high ticket products. Another high ticket product that I promote is Legendary Marketer. So that is another high quality product. And basically I like to promote high ticket products because these products, they are like high quality. And if we are going to promote something to other people, it's important to be a high quality product. So this company pays 40% commissions. And as you may know, that as an affiliate marketer, we can make these commissions if someone buys through our affiliate links. But we need to promote our affiliate links in the right way if we want to succeed. And that is why I'm utilizing software. Why? Well, let me explain you this concept, because when I started with affiliate marketing in 2017, so I learned that you can drive traffic directly to your affiliate offer, and you can make commissions with that strategy. I made commissions by just sending traffic to my affiliate offers, but the problem with this strategy is that sometimes the affiliate companies can shut down their affiliate programs, and if that happens, you will need to start all over again. But if you build a simple page before sending, so this is a simple page. If you build this page before sending people to your affiliate offer, you can collect, by utilizing this page, an email. And once you have collected that information, basically you are building your own list of prospects, and you can promote multiple affiliate products and offers. That is one of the reasons that I'm utilizing software, because we need these tools to build those capture pages, to build those opt-in pages, to build the sales funnel. Now let me show you. So I have been using many softwares through all these years of doing affiliate marketing, and this is one of the latest software that I bought, and I bought mainly because, so the name is Funnel Freedom. I bought mainly because, check this out. If I click on Funnel Freedom, so I can utilize this software to build funnels, to do email marketing, to store my contacts. For example, here I have all my contacts that I'm collecting, and you can do this software for many things. I'm using it only for affiliate marketing to promote products. But the magic of this Funnel Freedom is this page. So I don't know why. Let me go to sites. Okay, these are my funnels. I'm going to click on Funnel Freedom. So I have this Funnel Freedom support. So basically I'm waiting, because here I want to access my affiliate links. So with Funnel Freedom, we can promote multiple affiliate products and offers because it has a 7 figures done for you system. So let me refresh this page. So I'm going to refresh the whole thing. So I want to show you a page in which I copy and pasted my affiliate links for multiple products. Basically, that is why I bought this software, because it has a 7 figures done for you affiliate system, which we just need to copy and paste our affiliate links inside of one simple page. So we need to go to those like website for those products, go to the affiliate programs, sign up to those affiliate programs, and then copy all of the links and then paste it on this page where it says Funnel Freedom. And then we just need to click on a button below where it says click update affiliate links. So I have like many videos talking about this software. Maybe it's my internet connection, that is why it's super slow, guys. But let me drive you here. So basically there is a page in which we have all these spaces. For example, I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge. It's a low ticket product. I'm promoting Freedom Accelerator. I'm promoting Get Response, System Data Joe, Secret of Success. And what I just did is that, so this is like an image, an ugly image of the page. So basically I copy and pasted my affiliate links in all of these spaces for the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, Secrets of Success, System Data Joe, Get Response. And then click here to refresh. Okay. And then I started to send traffic to the funnel that is already inside of Funnel Freedom. The name of the funnel is mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. So something happens. So I'm going to show you this later, guys. But basically, what I'm utilizing this software, Funnel Freedom, because it has this 7-figure done for you system, and I'm promoting these products, Freedom Accelerator, and basically it has the funnel, already has the opt-in page to capture the email, and then once I capture the email, Funnel Freedom redirect those people to my 72-hour challenge affiliate link. So it has a bridge page in which it has Jonathan Montoya's videos explaining what are the next steps and what are the things that people are going to learn from the training. And if people click the button in the bridge page, all the people are clicking my affiliate links, and that is how I'm making commissions by promoting the 72-hour challenge. But more importantly, I have collected the email, and the email is stored inside of Funnel Freedom, and then Funnel Freedom is sending many emails. It has like a 365 days nurturing sequence of emails. Okay, and it has all these emails, and inside of the emails people are going to find my affiliate links for a lot of products that I was talking about: the Freedom Accelerator, Get Response, System Data Joe, and also people are going to find valuable information. And that is how I'm promoting multiple affiliate products and offer. By basically I copy and pasted that 7-figure done for you system, and I started to work only in the traffic part of the affiliate marketing business, because building an affiliate business, it takes time, hard work, and effort, guys. So it's important to have your own domain, build your own system, go to the marketplace, find products to promote, and then find supporting offers. But if you want to utilize Funnel Freedom, which I think is a great way for beginners, for all the beginners who don't have time, or if they don't want to build the entire ecosystem of products, they can just clone that system and start working on the traffic side. Now, I want to tell you some truth and facts that it takes time to start getting commissions. When I started affiliate marketing, basically it took me 1 year. And when I started to promote this product, Freedom Accelerator, so I didn't make commissions right away. So it took me like a while, and then I started to make commissions. And the first commission that I made with this program was $3, and then $10, and then $50. So let me show you some of the payouts. So these are my latest payments, and as you can see, so here $454, $128, $135, and so on and so forth. I'm making these commissions every month, but it takes time. So here I have right now $861, which is super awesome. But when I started out, it was like $3, $5. It was super low. And if you can stay like long enough in this business, like creating content, sending customers to your own system, some of those people are going to click your affiliate links. Some of those people are going to become your referrals. Some of those will become customers, and a little percentage is going to buy the high ticket products that you are promoting. But it takes time, guys. So this is not free. It's not easy. It's not free because you are putting in the work. You are putting in the time. Your time is not free, and it's not easy because you need to do things every single day. So if affiliate marketing were so easy, a lot of people made huge amounts of money with this business. But like any other business, so the people who makes money with affiliate marketing is like 1 or 5% of all the people. Why? Because they have the persistence, the discipline, they have the skills, they have that and the knowledge on how to create content, how to write good copywriting letters with persuasive words and all that good stuff, how to create content, how to attract people to get into the system, and more importantly, they are helping people with high quality products. That is one of the main reasons. So if you have any question, guys, leave me in the comments. If you want to access a free training, I have a link in the description, and if you want to access Funnel Freedom, I have a 14-day free trial if you want to check it out.